You can very easily store different digital media with your notes. In Wiznotes, these are referred to as resources. When students used to write notes with a pen and paper, they used to keep other resources together with their notes. Sometimes teachers would hand out diagrams, pictures, or other papers. Now that you type your notes into a computer, you'll probably want to keep different digital information together with your notes. The Resources Assistant makes it very simple and easy for you to do just that. If you are a student, you will find that the Resources Assistant will help you to associate different digital media together with your notes. In addition, it will allow you to quickly and easily create links in your notes to the different digital media that's related to your notes. These features will help you tremendously when you come to revise or review your notes for your exams. You will have all your notes and related digital material at your fingertips. As you read over your notes, you'll be able to view related information by just clicking on the hyperlinks that are in your notes. If you are a teacher, the Resources Assistant can help you to associate different digital media together with a subject that your pupils will need to write notes about. This will be very useful if you want to provide your pupils with a leaf that already contains relevant media that is related to the subject being taught. You'll be able to send this leaf to all your pupils. Your pupils will then be able to write their individual notes inside the leaf and have very quick and easy access to information related to what they are studying. With a few clicks of the mouse, they will be able to create links in their notes to the relevant digital media. Let's say you have some pictures, videos, websites, online videos and PDF files that are relevant to what you are writing notes about. First, you will create a new leaf for whatever you are studying. Then, press on the Resources button on the Assistant toolbar. For each resource, you will need to provide 3 pieces of information. First of all, the type of authority of the resource. You do this by selecting whether the author of the file is a teacher, student, or someone else. This is important since information provided by a teacher, for example, is generally more reliable than information provided by a student. The second piece of information you need to provide is the title of the resource. You can choose what title you want to give for each resource. The third piece of information is the address of the resource. The address is information about where the resource is located. The address can be any of the following: the path of a local file. This can be found by pressing on the Find button inside the Resources Assistant. The address could be a URL of a website, or an address could be the embed code of an online video. After entering the details of a new resource, you can add it to the list of resources by pressing Enter on the keyboard or clicking on the Add Resources button that's inside the Resources Assistant. You can quickly and easily create links in your notes to resources that you have associated with the leaf that you are currently writing notes into. Just select some text in your notes, select the title of the resource in the Resources Assistant, then press on the Add Link button. The text that you selected will be converted into a link. Alternatively, if you have not selected any text in your notes, you can select a resource, press on the Add Link button, and a link to that resource will be created at the current cursor position in your notes. The name of the link will be the name that you gave to that resource. You can view the titles of the different resources by expanding or collapsing any of the resource sections. Click on one of the titles and then you will see the contents of that resource inside the Resource Assistant. Where you have links to resources in your notes, You can press down the control button on your keyboard and then click on the link. That resource will then appear in the Assistant pane. You can edit the title or type of authority of a resource. Just select the resource inside the Resources Assistant and then press on the Edit button. After you change information about the resource, just press on the Update Resource button and your changes will be saved. You can remove a resource by selecting the resource and then pressing on the Remove button. You have seen in this tutorial that you can very quickly and easily keep different digital media together with your notes. In addition, you saw how easy it is to create links in your notes to the different digital media. When you come to revise your notes, any digital media that is relevant to your notes will only be a click away.